on, guys? 24/7 Tech here, and the Fitbit Ace 2 was a video I made quite a while ago, a couple of months ago, but I've noticed a bunch of comments. You guys blew up that comment section, by the way. But yeah, I saw a bunch of comments about how you guys love this Fitbit, you guys bought it, or should you buy it, and this made that video helps you buy it. Now, a couple of months later, I want to make a sort of a revisited video, because it's been about 6 months, I think, since the Fitbit Ace 2 has come out. So I wanted to see if it's still worth the money, if you should buy it, or maybe you should wait for the 3rd generation of the Fitbit Ace.
As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to watch some more awesome tech videos in the future.
Said in the clip before, guys, take 1 second to subscribe down below. Every subscriber makes a difference. Let's get a few things out of the way. If you're thinking about if this is an old design or anything, this is Fitbit's first year using this design. As you can see right here, it's a completely striking design. It's, of course, as you can see, kids adhered, but it's the first time we've seen something different from Fitbit. See, Fitbits, as you can see, the Alta, the Charge, it's really sort of a watch band and a screen in between, but the Ace 2 really sort of makes it a different experience for kids, and I think it's sort of likable, since it's a completely different experience from a different Fitbit, so it's worth taking a look at. Now, if pricing is a issue for you, I think the Fitbit Ace 2 is really well and really competitively priced. It comes in at $69.95, as you can see right there. It's from the Fitbit page. You can buy it for just $69.95. Maybe sometimes Fitbit. I've seen Fitbit also put deals on this for like $10, $20 off for like for special holidays like Memorial Day, Labor Day, stuff like that. But even if you buy it stock for $70, I think it's got a lot of value, especially since for kids, the only thing they need to do is track their steps, get the time, get some notifications if they have a phone, of course, and pretty much it's just sort of a nice little watch on your wrist. Now that we've gotten all the good things of the Fitbit Ace 2 out of the way, let me talk about some things that are holding it back. First of all, if you're looking for some really high-tech fitness tracker for a low price, this isn't it. The only thing this can really do is track your steps, distance, and I don't think much more, maybe sleep tracking as well. If you're looking into something with like a heart rate sensor or something, you might need to go up to something like the Fitbit Alta HR, which I think retails for about $100 to $130 depending on where you buy it. But yeah, you're not going to get too many fitness related features on this or high-end features. You got to step up into the higher end of the Fitbit territory. But honestly, I mean, this has a really nice feature set for what kids need. But now let's talk about if it's worth buying today. 6 months in, Fitbit's gonna release a Fitbit Ace 3, I'm guessing, in March of next year, March 2020. It's still got a lot of time left in it, and even the Fitbit Ace 1 from last year still holds up really well with today's standards. So if you're looking for a Fitbit Ace 2 today, I'd say just go make the purchase. It's fine. The Fitbit Ace 3 doesn't look like it's gonna improve too much, and it's probably gonna be using the same design as well, maybe a little more specs, a little more features. I think this is a really good buy, and if you can score a good deal on this, let's say like $40 to $50, it's got a lot of value for the money, guys. I think it's really, really good product. Some things that you might be waiting for with the Fitbit Ace 3 could be possibly a heart rate sensor. I don't know. I think it might be a little too far-fetched to expect. But there are some other things that I do expect to come to the Fitbit Ace 3, such as maybe a bigger screen, because the screen is really tiny and you can fit more badges, rewards, whatever you want to talk about in the Fitbit Ace 3. And I feel like an actual touch screen would be nice, especially since this you have to tap a little hard to get it. I get that it's sort of more kids adhered because they might crack the touch screen or something, but it would be nice to have a feature like that. So yeah, guys, that's my whole thoughts and impressions about the Fitbit Ace 2 after 6 months. I hope this video sort of helped you. I just wanted to make an updated video because I knew the Fitbit Ace 2. I was talking about the Fitbit Ace 2 in general, but now, as you can see, I sort of compared it to the future Fitbit Ace 3, what we could expect, and if it was still worth the money. I still think it's an amazing product, worth the money, but if you're really not in need of a Fitbit Ace 2 right now, but you're just sort of thinking of it for your child, maybe you might want to wait for the Fitbit Ace 3, wait until what comes out new, because of course Fitbit's going to add more features in March of 2020. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe down below. Every subscriber makes a difference, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.